Hey friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Salwa's Delicious Kitchen. I'm here again with another interesting recipe from the streets of Karachi, that is Cholistani chicken kadahi. If you're a foodie like me who loves to try different cuisines and recipes, then this recipe is surely for you. And even if you're not a person who loves to try different recipes, still you got to try this because this is such a quick and easy recipe. Still, the bursting flavors you'll fall in love with. Making the authentic one and tasting exactly the same was always my try. On succeeding, I had to share the recipe with you all so that you really enjoy this delicious recipe with your loved ones. And do hit the like button if you like the recipe. Those who are new to my channel, please do subscribe the channel and also hit the bell icon so that you do not miss any upcoming videos of mine. Would also like to highlight that I always give the ingredients and the measurement of them in the description box below, so do not forget to check it from there. So getting back to the recipe, so let me quickly show you the ingredients what we need to make this delicious kadahi. Here I have taken 800 grams of chicken cut into medium pieces. It's washed and drained well. Here is around 300 grams of tomatoes just cut into half, nothing chopped. And here are the spices for the recipe. 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, salt as per your taste. I have taken 1 teaspoon. And here are half cup of chopped coriander leaves, ginger garlic paste lots, that is 2 tablespoon, around 6 green chilies with slits on them, and ginger juliennes for garnishing, half cup of yogurt. I have just whipped it well, and more than half cup of ghee. It's not 3/4 but more than half. Here in a non-stick kadhai, you can take that to get that authentic taste. You can take that iron kadhai also. It tastes so good, but then I did not have it, so I'm cooking it in a non-stick kadhai. So I have added the ghee. Once the ghee was hot, I added the chicken pieces. Just to make sure, drain the chicken well so that it doesn't leave too much of water. So once I added the chicken and I roasted it for 2 minutes, sauteed it for 2 minutes, and then added the salt. Mix it well from the starting till the end. In the kadhai recipe, you'll see every time stirring with the spoon or the spatula. And then after frying it for about 5 minutes, the chicken, I added the ginger garlic paste. Stirring it again for 2 to 3 minutes, and then once this was done, I added the tomato pieces. You can see the dices are just half. The very big ones I have done into 1/4, and then just mixed it and closed the lid. Here after 5 minutes I opened it, and you can see easily I can just remove the skin. Make sure you remove the skin of each and every tomato. Now just giving a good mix of the tomatoes so that it gets melted quickly. It does actually. You can later see no trace of tomatoes. And here once the tomatoes were done, and then I added all the spices: chili powder, pepper, coriander, cumin, and garam masala. Mixed it well. Here my flame was almost nearly high. Giving it a good mix, closed it, and then I had cooked it till the chicken was done, almost 90%. Then I added the slitted green chilies and mix it. Trust me, the flavors is all around the kitchen now. The chili does the magic. Here I added the yogurt and mixed it well. Make sure you always whip the yogurt and it has no lumps in it so that it gets that creamy. And here we are almost there to finish. Wasn't that a very quick and a simple recipe? I'm sure you all will love this one and thank me for this. I know that ghee was too much. Those who are, scared and too much into dieting and all will be, scared with the quantity of the ghee in it. But then see, what I was doing was at the end, just remove everything. As much as you want. I just took almost half of the quantity what I added, and then added the coriander leaves, and this was ready. The quick, simple, easy, and tasty chicken kadhai. Here is your Cholistani chicken kadahi in the serving dish. This was my iron kadahi, the small one, otherwise, I would have loved to make it in the same. So, do make this at home and do share it with your friends and family. And also, do not forget to let me know how it turned out for you. Coming to my extra points, a very, very important tip is that always use the fresh yogurt. Yogurt or dahi of the same date, not the sour one. Otherwise, it can make your kadahi really tangy. Sadly, this message has become a part of my videos from quite a long time now. But then, having no choice, we can just take care of ourselves by staying home and staying safe. Take care, guys. I hope till now you all have subscribed to my channel. If not, please do. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.